We're calling this a weight loss breakthrough. It is a non-surgical approach. Look at this. You take a tiny balloon, you swallow it. Then it's inflated with saline. What's that, saline? Saline solution inside your stomach. Stays there for maybe 6 months. Takes up a lot of space, so you eat less. And at the end of the treatment, the balloon is deflated and it is removed. We haven't got quite through to the end of the process there, but I think you get the point. Yeah. Joining us now is the president of Apollo Endosurgery, the company behind this. Dennis McWilliams is with us. Did I get, well, that's your video. Did I get it right?
Right, sure. I think that's a pretty fair description of how Orbera works. It's meant as a non-surgical option. Right now, patients have only really had two options, diet and exercise and very invasive surgery. Orbera is meant to fit that gap in the middle, provide a less invasive way for patients.
Now, I actually swallow this. I've got one in my hand.
Not inflated, right?
Uninflated. It's like a bowling ball.
Right.
So it's deflated. Is it really very small?
It's very small and slender. It's inserted by a physician into your stomach under sedation. Okay. It's filled up inside the stomach, and then the patient has the balloon in for 6 months.
Okay, so doctors visit. I get sedated. They stick it down my throat. Right. They inflate it whilst I'm under sedation.
Correct.
I walk away feeling less hungry.
Within an hour, right.
Have you got FDA approval?
We are FDA approved, and we've trained around 500 physicians around the United States now.
How many people have got this as we speak inside them?
Around the world, we've treated over 200,000 patients. In the United States, we've already treated a few thousand patients since our launch.
Weight loss results?
Results have been great. I mean, the typical patient will lose anywhere from 20 to 40 pounds. Some people can lose even more than that. It really depends also on the diet and exercise program that's around the patient as they have the balloon in.
What happens when you take it out? What's the chance of you putting the weight back on?
So the studies show that people maintain the weight loss after the balloon is removed, but so much of the tool is used for to teach them new eating habits. You eat less food, you're in a diet and exercise program kind of through the program, so when the balloon comes out, you have better habits.
You are familiar with the study of what happened to the people on The Biggest Loser?
Yes, on The Biggest Loser, right.
Because they all put it back on again because the body is telling them, put it back on. But surely the same thing would happen with this.
But at the end of the day, any weight loss program, whether it's diet and exercise or invasive surgery, requires the patient themselves to be very committed to a program, to change their diet and exercise. This is a tool.
It's still up to me.
It's still at the end of the day. This is a tool that helps you along that way.
No magic potion.
There's not a magic pill yet for obesity.
One last one. Have you had any trouble with gastric ulcers because of the chronic irritation that these create?
No, the rate of gastric ulcers is extremely low on that. Most patients will experience some nausea within the first week, but Orbera is very well tolerated, very safe and effective.
Okay. Now, one last question. We are a financial program.
Correct.
I walk in the door of the doctor's office. From soup to nuts, walking in the door to walking out with this thing in my stomach, how much?
Typically $6,000 to $8,000. But if you weigh that, against the cost of the diet and the exercise programs and what we spend on those things,
Steady, Stuart.
Well, and you think about the cost of cardiovascular disease and diabetes and medication. If you can reduce those, eliminate those, it becomes very economical.
Would insurance
Are you a publicly traded company?
We're a privately traded company right now.
Going public at some point?
We aspire to that, but right now we're focused on our product launch.
Dennis McWilliams, Apollo Endosurgery. Thanks for bringing it.
Thanks very much.
Appreciate it, sir.